guys, welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is a clean with me video, and it is a collaboration with the wonderful Amanda from Amanda's Crazy Life, and I'm going to let her introduce herself now.
Hi everybody, welcome to Jen's Live, Laugh, Love. My name's Amanda, and I enjoy doing these collaboration videos. So in today's video, we're going to have Jen doing her collab with me. Hopefully afterwards, you guys will decide to come on over and check mine out. I love Jen's channel. She's got so much cleaning motivation and support, and I hope you guys join the both of us. So yeah, let's get on into this.
In today's video, we're going to be cleaning and tidying up some of the rooms in my home. So if you need that kind of motivation, not a deep clean, just a picking up things where they do not belong and dusting, that kind of thing, then hopefully this will motivate you. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jennifer. I do a variety of videos including cleaning, decorating, cooking, lifestyle. Self-help is actually honestly probably my favorite thing to do, and I would love to have you guys in my YouTube family. So if you would not mind, click that subscribe button and click on that bell so that you can receive notifications each and every time that I post. So let's get busy cleaning. I'm going to start in my bedroom today. It was hair washing day for me, so I need to put my hair drying supplies away. I have some laundry on the bed that I need to fold, and I have this little Norwax duster that I'm just going to use to dust everything up.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my date. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at views. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop. I won't slow down. Standing on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop. I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. And I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am. When nothing goes your way, so I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. And I am on my way up. I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way am on my way.
And this is the new bedding. I am not 100%. I did get rid of a lot of the pillows, and it's a lot easier to make the bed up. I have black sheets, and then I got this, hold on. And then I got this duvet cover from Pottery Barn, and it's just gray. And then I just have my down comforter inside. So let me know what you think. It's not as pretty as the other one, but it's easy to make up.
Slow down.
Next thing I'm going to be cleaning in my office. Again, I'm just going to use this Norwax duster, and I'm going to do some dusting. Put it right there, sorry. And I just have some stuff on my desk that has fallen there that I need to put back in its home and dust it as well. And then the dogs are playing outside, so the pillows are actually straight right now, so that's about all I'm going to do in here.
To the end of a one-way street. Wish I could wake up, but it's not a dream. Staring at the wall right in front of me. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend.
This is how I plan my menus, just in case you guys ever are looking for a way to plan out your dinners or your lunches or whatever for the week. And they sell these in lots of different places. It is just kind of like a little mini calendar. Let's see if I can get it to focus. But basically it's got Monday, it's got the days of the week on it. So I just go through and write down our dinners for each night, and then I kind of know what to get at the grocery store. So I was gonna share that before I put it away. So now it's time to put everything back in its place, so I'm getting ready to do that.
That I do not care. I keep asking why. It's still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should really think why. I have really tried. All those sleepless nights I counted hours. Thought I'm over, but I lost my powers. I keep asking why. Do I ever cross your mind? Maybe what we had is so hard to find. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. These memories haunting me. I keep asking why. It's still on my mind. I lost my powers. I keep asking why. Now I'm asking having so much fun with you by my side. Staying up late, catching morning ride. I had it all. I keep asking why. It's still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should really feel like all of it. I keep asking why. I have really tried. All those sleepless nights.
So now I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen. I have a few things in my hot spot that need to be put away, and I just need to put my purse away and wipe down my countertops, and then we will be finished.
There's something about the way he talks to me, how he talks to me now. The glimmer in his eyes as he's watching me. You know I'm watching him now. As he laughs with his beautiful smile, I know I'll never survive without the stranger by my side. The way waves at it now. A sadness in her eyes as she waves at him. She waves at him now. Tries to act as his beautiful wife. I know she'll never survive. If I leave, she will be alright. The way he talks to me, oh how he talks to me now. Life can sometimes feel like it's only dragging you down, dragging you down. Just remember you will always rise. Let your body go and don't think twice. If you meet a stranger with the deepest eyes, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Life can sometimes feel like it's only dragging you down, dragging you down. Just remember you will always rise. Let your body go and don't think twice. If you meet a stranger with the deepest eyes, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
So guys, that's all I have time for today. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.